In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Wrike account. Whether you're looking to streamline your accounts or simply stepping away from Wrike, this guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring it's as straightforward and simple as possible. Let's start by logging into your Wrike account. Head over to the Wrike website and locate the login button. You'll find this at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to choose a method to access your account. If you typically log in using Google, click on the Google option and select the account you wish to use for this process. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where your profile photo is displayed. This is where all your personal settings are managed. Click on your profile picture to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll want to look for Settings. This will lead you to another page where you'll manage your account's various options. Now you might notice that you have to click on Settings again once you have accessed this section. Yes, that's correct, it might seem repetitive, but some platforms require an extra click for security or navigational precision, ensuring you're completely aware of the actions you're about to take. Once you're inside the settings, scroll until you find the option that says Delete My Account. This is an important step, so make sure you're ready to proceed at this point, as the following actions will lead to your account's permanent deletion. After clicking on Delete My Account, you'll be guided to a screen where you need to click on Continue Deletion. This acts as a confirmation step, verifying that you truly want to go through with the process. Next, Wrike will ask you to indicate your reason for deleting your account. This could be anything from not using Wrike as much anymore to finding another platform that suits your needs better. Select the reason that best matches your circumstances from the provided options. Finally, you'll see the prompt that reads Delete My Account. Clicking on this will finalize the process and your account will be permanently removed from Wrike's system. At this point, make sure you've taken care of any data you might need, because once your account is deleted, retrieving information becomes impossible, and there you have it, your Wrike account is now deleted. It's a simple yet crucial procedure, especially if you're moving on from Wrike. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide made the task a bit easier for you. If you have any more questions or need additional help, feel free to reach out.